Pastor Jeff here. Let's talk about common ground in this week's installment of Wednesday Encouragement. I was listening to a podcast this week of two people on opposing sides. Each of them had a podcast following, and their followers suggested this conversation. Very quickly in the conversation, they found themselves talking over one another and began highlighting why their opponent was wrong. As the conversation went on, however, they found that they had a lot more in common than they originally thought. In the current cultural climate, it seems as though we're being pushed into two camps that have to fight. So I love this reminder from 1 Corinthians chapter 9, verses 22 to 23, which says, "To the weak I became weak, to win the weak. I've become all things to all people, so that by all possible means I might save some. I do all this for the sake of the gospel, that I may share in its blessing." The Apostle Paul here, believing that God's love through his son Jesus is available and should be available to all people. And to share that love, he needs to put himself in another person's shoes to find common ground. So this week, let's not choose into the narrative that says we have to disagree. Instead, let's find common ground and choose to love one another. You got this. Go in peace.